All right, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we can use the description panel in the slide layout app. The description box is a place where as an author you can put some text in there, so to give the user some pointers, some instructions, hints, whatever. So here I am on the VLP with an activity that I am authoring. You can see I've got one slide in here that is the title slide. And now I'm going to add another slide that is the wall layout slide. And what this will do is this will add the wall layout app that we've been working with. And you can see here I've got the view. And if I were to just save this slide and go back, you can see this is what the user sees. The thing I want you to see is that the tools are nice and tight against the left side here, and there's no description. Now, as an author, imagine, let's just save this activity real quick and see what it looks like from the user's perspective. So I'm going to go back to consumption now. So this is what the user sees when they consume this slide or this activity. They have their wall layout. This is the title slide, and then we're going to go to the next slide. And you can see it's just free play. They can do whatever they want in here. They've got all the tools, stuff like that. But what are they doing? Maybe we should explain to them what they're doing. So let's get back into authoring here. I'm going to go back into this. I'm going to edit this slide. So over here on the right side, we've got our authoring tools, our inspector that the author is expected to use while creating their activity. And you can see we have this thing called slide text. So I'm just going to throw in some text here. This is the slide text. And what you can see is it shows up over here. This is what will be presented to the end user. So as an author, you can set this up to be whatever you want. Let's put some spaces. This is a good spot to, a good place to suggest actions to the user. It is also a good place to tell the user what they need to do or explain what they are looking at. All right, and I'm just going to save that slide. I'm going to go back to activity, go back to consumption. Oops, let me save this first. Save this activity again. And we'll go back to consumption now. So now let's see what we've got. So if I go back to the title slide, here's this title slide. If I go to the next slide, you can see I have all that text here telling the user what to do. So that is essentially what the slide text is for. It's wide open to what you want to put in there, and it's a great spot to give hints to the user.